Welcome back, everybody. My name is Liz and Homegrown Homestead. Today, among a million things, I have to take care of the Orioles. They are out of oranges. There's oranges there, but they have really eaten it a lot. And the jelly that's out there, the ants have gotten to it. And with all the rain, it's not really the best right now. So I'm going to go clean that out and give them some fresh stuff. And then I'm going to clean out the other white hanging bird feeder with all the rain, and there's a crack in the top, so some of the seed gets wet, and I got to scrape that out, and so I'm going to fill that up. And then feed the woodpeckers, which we get the mix from a local feed store, and raisins and nuts and sunflower seeds and other things, and they really like it. And anything that falls, the cardinals will eat, so that's always fun to watch. And then I'll show you the flowers in our bird bath. We've had a raccoon that likes to tip it over. So Russ took an old pipe, pounded that into the ground, and attached the bird bath to the top of it. And since that was sticking out of the ground so far, we came up with the idea, and Russ put it together for me. He drilled holes to go around the pipe of 2 planters, pots. And so we inserted those around the pipe, and that's where I'm going to show you the fuchsias. And I think the other white plant is the snowdrop. I don't remember quite perfectly, but it's really turning out to be great. And then last year we had some vinca vines. I didn't know this, but if they touch the ground, the ends, the parts that hang over your pots, they will root. I didn't know that. As old as I am, I did not know that. So when I was cleaning out some area over by the chicken coop, there were some fresh vinca vine, I guess you could say, coming out of the ground. So I transplanted them into the pot by the bird bath, and they're growing. So there's the sweet potato vine, and then we got some begonias because Russ likes those, and fuchsia because it reminds me of my grandma and her hummingbirds.
Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun is slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
So I had some leftover pulled pork, and I don't like having it in the freezer for too long, so I decided to make enchiladas with it. But I also make my own enchilada sauce, and that takes chili powder, cumin seed, flour, onion powder, garlic powder, and chicken broth. And so I'm going to make the sauce first.
It's been a long time coming, took the long way around, but I think I see something coming up from the ground. And I don't know if I told you, but I think you're the world. Yeah, and I got this feeling you could be my girl. Come on, darling, run away with me. We could see what there is to see. And your love's like a crazy dream. See you running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. And your love's like a crazy dream. Like a wildfire burning, you set me on fire. I don't know what to do with all these crazy desires. It's been a long day, darling. I need someone to hold. Won't you come over here and cuddle up to my soul? Come on, darling, run away with me. We can see what there is to see. And your love's like a crazy dream. See you running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. And your love's like a crazy love you. I will always care about you, and I will always love you. I will always care about you. Come on, darling, run away with me. We can see what there is to see. And your love's like a crazy dream. See you running through an open door. I don't wanna be alone no more. And your love's like a crazy dream. Come on away. Your love's like a crazy dream. Come back home to me, where rivers are running free, through valleys as far as the eye can see. I'll be waiting on you till you're in my arms, a place that you...
So this is your typical enchiladas, and I'm using the pulled pork as I'm showing you there. I also added a little barbecue sauce to the pork and some enchilada sauce before I assembled it. I'll put the recipe to both of these in the description for you if you're interested. And here we go.
I'll keep you safe and warm. We'll hide out here for as long as you want. You want. Brick by brick, we live. The bones to this old place. Memories I won't let ever fade. Come back home to me. Windows down, scattered clouds, smell of spring outside. Open road, you sitting close. Let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine. Yeah, I'll be just fine. Heading for the western shore, while the sun is slowly fades. Days are full, and I'll spend them with you. So let's go somewhere far away. 'Cause if all I have is you, then I'll be just fine.
everybody to have a great day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.